Top 10 reasons why decluttering can be a challenge for older adults, and how to help. Decluttering your home can be a daunting task for anyone, but it can feel especially challenging for older adults. This often leads to feelings of overwhelm and can stall the entire process. Let's explore some of the reasons why decluttering can be difficult for seniors, and how we can help them achieve a more organized and manageable living space. Understanding the challenges. 1. Emotional attachment. Many possessions hold sentimental value, triggering memories of loved ones or past experiences. Letting go can feel like letting go of a part of themselves. 2. Downsizing concerns. If considering a move to a smaller space, decluttering becomes a necessary but emotionally charged task. 3. Physical limitations. Sorting through belongings can be physically demanding, especially for those with mobility issues. 4. Uncertainty about what to keep. Deciding what sparks joy and what doesn't can be a difficult question, leading to indecision. 5. Fear of loss. Letting go of objects can feel like losing a piece of their history or identity. 6. Lack of support. Feeling overwhelmed and unsure where to start can be paralyzing. Having a helping hand can make all the difference. 7. Time constraints. Decluttering takes time and energy, which can be limited for older adults. 8. Belief that stuff equals security. For some, possessions provide a sense of comfort and stability. Releasing them can feel unsettling. 9. Habit. A lifetime of accumulating possessions can make letting go feel unnatural. 10. Health concerns. For those with health issues, decluttering can feel overwhelming and potentially risky. How you can help. Offer emotional support. Be patient and understanding. Acknowledge the emotional attachment to belongings. Work together. Declutter alongside them, offering suggestions and encouragement. Focus on functionality. Help them see how decluttering can improve safety and make daily living easier. Take breaks. Decluttering can be tiring. Schedule breaks and celebrate small victories. Set realistic goals. Start with one small area or category of items at a time. Explore donation options. Help them find charities that can benefit from their unwanted items. Consider professional organizers. For those needing more assistance, professional organizers can provide expertise and support. Decluttering doesn't have to be a battle. By understanding the challenges faced by older adults and offering a helping hand, we can create a more manageable process. Want more tips on decluttering and creating a functional living space for older adults? Subscribe to our channel, Architect's World blog, for regular articles and advice.